What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta na mga ka-addict? In this video, it's all about part 2 accessory update of my E10 electric scooter, si Unggoy. If in case you haven't watched the previous video, you can watch it first and then you can go back here so that this video will not get spoiled. And by the way mga ka-addict, shout out to E10 Club here in Abu Dhabi, especially to CM and Brad J. They are the founders of this E10 Club. And thank you for giving me a chance to be part of your club. Previous video, I have shown you 5 accessories which I installed on my electric scooter. It was the U5 LED light or U5 LED headlight, Eagle Eye or Eagle Eye LED light, Wildman storage, horn, and then the battery car jump starter. So it was 5 accessories in that previous video. And then in this part 2 accessory update mga ka-addict, I will be showing you 7 accessories which I installed on my electric scooter Unggoy. So let's start. And I almost forgot mga ka-addict, I did one modification as well to my electric scooter, and that will be at the last part. I'm going to show it also to you. If you remember mga ka-addict, before I was using the battery car jump starter power bank or car jump starter bank, but since it only provides or it only gives me like approximately 1 hour to power up the accessory on my electric scooter, I decided to provide this battery pack. This is the battery pack. If you're going to open the storage, what you can find there is the battery here. This is the battery. Basically, this is the battery pack. It's combination of, or it's 18 pieces of 18650 cells batteries. Then they were all combined together, and there is BMS inside as well to make sure that the battery will work properly. And then you can find here wirings connecting to the outlets, and then inlets for charging, and wirings for the battery indicator. And then on this side you can see the battery indicator, or you can find the battery indicator, and then there are 2 USB ports. At the back there are 5 DC outlets, 1 2 3 4, and then there's one here under or at the bottom. This side there is the charging port or charging inlet port. It's DC type as well. And then this is the switch on, switch off. Next is the Kiddie Bar. So this is the Kiddie Bar, and then I mounted the 2 U5 LED light. Before it was on the handlebar, but I move it down here so you can get that far range of light without dazzling anybody in front of you. So it's better to put the headlight on the lower side only. And please make sure, if you're going to mount your Kiddie Bar, make sure it's tight enough so it will not wobble. Next is the acrylic board. Of course, this is my most favorite part or most favorite accessory which I installed on my electric scooter. It's the acrylic board. This acrylic board, it's a clear cast type acrylic board, 10mm thickness, UV printed design. It's overcut, it's bigger than the footrest of the electric scooter. I really love this accessory, or I mean this acrylic board. I really love this. Trust me mga ka-addict, if you are going to install acrylic board on your electric scooter, it will put your electric scooter to the next level. Next is the anti-collision strip or anti-bump strip. I stick it on this side, and there's another on that side, just to give extra detail to my electric scooter. And next to it, I installed extra 4 Eagle Eyes or 4 Eagle LED lights, 2 color white and then 2 color blue. This is the one. There's another here and here, and of course one here also underneath the footrest. It's very important to have extra lights or extra backlights on your electric scooter. It will give you more visibility when driving at night. Don't forget that it is indeed very important that you should be visible when driving at night, so that even if you are far, they can easily see you. Now, if you are wondering how I installed or how I mounted the Eagle Eye on the front, what I did is that I requested to Media Store to make a hole on this side of the acrylic board and extend it a little bit, like 2 cm, to get that extra space where I could mount the Eagle Eye, like this on the picture. And let's talk about the washers. Probably some of you are just using the simple washers or the ordinary washers which you can buy from the market. But if you are going to use a very stylish washers like this, this kind of washers, it's very stylish. It will add detail to your electric scooter, and when it's daytime, it's very noticeable, and of course it will add style on your electric scooter. So I highly recommend you should use stylish washers. And there is one more small thing, mga addict, that most of us are just ignoring it. But this small thing, if you're going to change it, if you're going to put something more fashionable, more stylish, it will probably add extra detail on your electric scooter and extra style on your electric scooter. It's the valve cap. Even if it's too small or it's just a simple accessory or a small type of accessory on your electric scooter, it will give additional detail or extra detail to your electric scooter. This is the GAV valve cap. It's aluminum type. It's very small but it's very eye-catching. And mga ka-addict, I did one modification to my electric scooter. Basically, I modified the mudguard. Before, it was bulk, it was big and was covering the half of the tire. But what I did is that I trimmed it. I cut this side off to expose this 90% of the wheel and to get this V shape. So that's all the new accessories which I installed on my electric scooter. This part 2 accessory update. We have here the battery pack, Kiddie Bar, Eagle Eye or Eagle Eye LED lights, this color red washers, and my favorite acrylic board, and also this one, anti-collision strip, and this little thing, valve cap or GAV valve cap, aluminum type. Thank you so much for watching my video, mga ka-addict. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have learned something regarding about the accessories. And please don't forget, drive safely. Don't drive too fast. And always wear your helmets and then the other protective gear. It's for your own safety. If you are driving at night, if you have this reflector, you better wear your reflector to be more visible or to be in the safe side while driving at night. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Good vibes always. Until next time, mga ka-addict. At syempre, mga ka-addict, maraming salamat at muli kayong naligaw sa channel ko.